Hey, to cast a screen of your Realme 12 5G to your TV, all you have to do is just to be connected to the Wi-Fi network on your smartphone, and to the same Wi-Fi network you have to be connected to your TV. Next, you will have to go into the settings, open the connection and the sharing, and now you should navigate into the screencast. So open this, and now click to search for display devices. Then click to turn on. Now we've got some audio recording and location. We have to actually accept this. For the screencast, accept another permissions. Click agree and continue. And now we can actually search. We have to enable this to search for nearby devices and some notifications. Then we have to click agree and continue. We have to also turn on the Bluetooth. The Wi-Fi is already turned on. And now we just have to wait until our TV or this wireless monitor pops on the list. And then we have to just select this device, for example, like in my case, my TV. And when I click on this TV, I will actually get the request on my TV. So I have to grab my remote controller and accept this connection on my TV. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.